Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to hide your story in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Snapchat account. So I'm going to click on here to open my Snapchat app. After you open up your Snapchat app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply look for friend contacts that you want to block your story. So I will simply head over to my friends section right here. Up like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to select the friend contact. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on the friend name. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And this is going to pump up. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy settings. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn off this particular button. And it's as simple as that. So with that, you have hide your story in Snapchat from this particular contact. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.